Establishing the basic text and layout formatting. I've created a temporary page to demonstrate some features, and when you go to work on any page, you always begin by going into the Edit Page mode. The most common features are brought into this menu bar, and if I click any of the drop-down arrows, I'll see the features available. This is the font set. Now, one of the things that you want to realize is that there is a limited font set in website design, at least for simple websites. As with most word processors, though, you can highlight areas that you want to modify and use things like bold. You can change the color. You actually just change the background color. I can also change the text color. Since I picked a dark color, let me make that light. And when I click away, you'll see the colors that I just put in. I can even decide to, I'm clicking enter, put in bullets or numbers. This would be a group of related topics, and I might decide to put them within bullets. This is something you're probably familiar with from word processing. Since you have limited options, though, in websites, it's good to use the format feature if you want to create interesting headings that you know are available to most different internet browsers. So, for example, if you have a main heading, you may just choose to use the main heading format that's under your format button. And if you have a heading that's going to go underneath that, this would be a secondary heading. And the reason it's good to use those is that you'll have better portability into the web environment, and also some of the search engines will look for these type of headings. Controlling the layout, though, in web design is rather complex, and you can see by going under the layout feature you have a number of options, and these become essentially different windows in which you can put content. Initially, though, keep your content simple and use the built-in formatting, and stay with the one column until you have more proficiency. Your audience may be using different internet browsers, and they'll certainly be on different computers, so you'll want to keep your initial website simple. As usual, when you want to finish what you've done, you would click the Save feature to allow this to become a page in your website. Experiment with formatting within limits to create effective websites.